Hello friends, I hope you are all well. My name is Abu Bakar and I am your instructor. Today we will learn about how to create a website on WordPress. First of all, we should have some knowledge about WordPress. So, WordPress is a web publishing software you can use to create your own website or blog. Besides WordPress, you can also use other websites like Wix.com, Blogger, etc. But WordPress has become one of the most popular web publishing platforms. Now, without wasting your time, let's get started. In step number 1, we have to make an account on WordPress. We have to go on WordPress.com. Type your email, name and password. Step number 2, you have to select some domain for your website. For example, we will make a website of restaurant, then type the name of the restaurant. For example, you can see that many domains are showing. We have to select this free one. Skip this step number 3. We have successfully created an account. After making an account, WordPress has sent an email for activation of WordPress account. We have to check the mail. You can see that WordPress has sent this activation mail. We have to click on this for confirm now. To confirm now. Now, WordPress account has successfully been activated. You can see that this domain name is very difficult to memorize. You can also change your domain name. For changing your domain name, you have to go on manage and clicking on domain. This is your current domain name. Click on it and change site address and type the new one domain name. For example, I type this domain name and this domain name is available. Change site address, check on this box. Now the domain name has been changed. After changing the domain name, we have to launch the website. By launching the website, we have to click on this and visit site. This is our website. This is our home page, blog page, about page and contact page. Click on launch site. We have to skip all the steps. Our website has successfully been launched. After launching your site, click on name your site. Add the name of your website. Now click Save Changes. Turn to Home. You can see that the name of your website has successfully changed. Now, this is the time to customize the website. To customize the website, you have to click on Web Admin, VP Admin. Click on this. Now, select a theme for your website. For selecting theme, click on Appearance and click on Theme. I select this theme, click on Activate. You can see that the message of activation has appeared. If you want to customize other pages like blog page, contact page and about page, then go to pages. Remember that if you customize the pages, you have to delete the previous page and add new one. For example, about, delete this. And then add new one, add new. For example, we want to add a blog page, then click any of the template. For example, I select this and click use blog layout and publish. You can see that the message has appeared that the page has been published. Now back to the page menu, add new, and I want to add a contact page. Use contact layout, publish, and back to the page menu. Refresh this. Now you can see that a home page, contact page and blog page has been added. Now if you want to edit the page manually, then simply click on that page. For example, I want to edit a contact page. I click on it. You can see this, the contact page has opened. I want to add some information here. For example, I want to add my email. can also change the background image by click on that image, click on replace and select from free photos. I want to select this image. The background image has changed. Now update this page. Back to the pages menu. Similarly, if you want to edit the blog page, click on it and then you can manually customize this page. I click on it. Blog page has opened. I click on that image. You can also change the direction and shape of the image. For example, I want to select this shape and upgrade. Back to the pages menu. Now our website has ready to show. We have to type the domain name in new tab. We open the new tab and type a domain name. Enter. Press enter. This is the website which we have created. This is a home page. That's a blog page. And that's a contact page. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. See you next time. Okay, bye.